Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and I'm going to show you how to make some delicious chili stuffed roasted poblano peppers. In a large frying pan, we're going to add some olive oil. Then what we're going to do is cook off some ground turkey over medium-high heat, break it up a little bit. Once it is browned and cooked through, we are going to add in some of Heinen's chili right from the deli department. This stuff is absolutely delicious. Let's mix it in and heat it up just until it's warm. Then we're going to set it to the side. Then I've got some fresh poblano peppers. What we want to do is cut them in half and then remove the pith and the seeds. We're going to drizzle a little bit of oil right over the top. Then it's going over into the broiler on high heat just for about 4 to 5 minutes. We want to get a little blister on them just like this. Now what we're going to do is flip all of these poblano peppers over and then bring back out our warm chili. We're going to take the time to stuff each of these little peppers. Then we're going to add on some shredded cheddar cheese over the top. Going back over to the broiler on high heat for just 2 minutes. We just want to melt it until it's like this. Then to load it up, I've got some sour cream, some crushed Heinen's blue and yellow corn chips. Next, we're going to add on some Heinen's sliced black olives. Then we're going to garnish with some sliced green onions. And boom, you have one awesome chili stuffed poblano recipe that your whole family is going to love.